In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zoom meeting link in mobile. To do this, simply you can open up the mobile app, and what you want to do in here is click on the orange Meet button in the top left. Now here you can choose if video should be on or off and whether to use your personal meeting ID or not. So from there, simply going to click Start a Meeting. And now wait for it to start. Now here you can go and turn on or off your microphone. Now go and click Start. And then you have started your own meeting. Now, if you then want to share it with people and get the link and stuff like that, just go and click on participants in the bottom, then click on the plus little icon in the top right next to participants. And from there you can click copy invite link. Now just share it with the people you want to invite, and then they will be able to join your meeting. You may need to approve them if that's turned on in your settings. So now you know how to create a Zoom meeting link in mobile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.